Welcome to the Baking Truth and to the second day of creation. So this is your main preparation beforehand, as well as ensuring that your eggs are out of the fridge and warming up to room temperature. You can transpose this using a permanent marker to a sheet of wax-proof paper as a guide for your children to start making their cloud shapes. And make as many copies as you need depending on the number of children you are teaching.
Look down and towards yourself. Ready? Go. Measure it out. Right.
Down and towards.
Yes.
Oh, I did it!
So here you can see your template behind a clean, fresh sheet of wax paper so your children can start creating.
They're perfectly fine.
The key to success in this recipe is eggs at room temperature. Did I mention this? If your eggs are cold, they will just not whip into shape and look like clouds.
Look at that! Look at that!
Looks just like a cloud.
I know!
So the composition of an egg looks like water and is in fact 90% water, and there is a fantastic miracle as you start to add some air and heat. So you can add in some science here. You can talk about the Earth's hydrological cycle, describing continuous movement of water on, above, below the surface of the Earth. To a young child, as they start to see the change in the egg, this is just a wonder to them.
Together. There's a grainy. It's all grainy.
So depending on the age of your child, you can add in as much information as you want. When my children were little, we just looked at the cloud shapes, stratus, altocumulus, cumulonimbus, and these were wonderful as we started to explore the skies. And after we did this project, the Lord just gave us the most incredible skies, the clouds. The whole week we were just looking at different cloud types.
Then you're going to twist it. That's it. Twist it. Good.
And bear in mind that young children need the hands-on support just to squeeze that piping bag from the top, as their hands are not strong enough. And if they squeeze it from the bottom, obviously all the meringue is going to spill out. So we found using the piping bags for the smaller shapes much easier, and then to grab a teaspoon and just scoop up big dollops of meringue to create your large big shapes. So place in the oven for 45 minutes. We like our meringues chewy, and this will help to avoid burning them too, as the smaller shapes are going to take much less time to bake, and the smaller shapes are crunchy and the larger ones chewy, and this also helps to aid in teaching the children the different cloud shapes. So as you are watching the oven, and take the meringue that's left in the bowl, ignore the mess, pick up a piping bag, have some fun, make your own meringues and enjoy the moment. In all of this, as I have said before, this baking is a tool to worship God. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands.
Dad, that looks like clouds.
Okay, so you're pressing into it, hey? Press down. That's it. Okay.